everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today Steven was working on this door mag right here. We went ahead and finished it out. Me and my apprentice got the box mounted. He dropped the flex down the wall. I think there's a concrete column behind there, obviously, because he roto-hammered it and we put lead anchors in there. But anyways, we finished it off, mounted the box to the wall. He already had the flex coming out. So we took this right side door mag in the flex and put it into a box, and then we added the whole left one ourselves. There is a little loop over here, you'll see it here in a second, but we connected those two into the box, so there's a little baby loop. Maybe need to straighten that out. Anyways, got this drop down on the other side, mounted a box. This side is open, so went ahead and mounted a spreader bar. Had to cut those because it was too long. So that's ready to go with the door mags. On the back side of the door mags, went ahead and starting to get these receptacles mounted at 36 inches. So of course some more spreader bars. I don't even think we have spreader bar or bracket boxes. Anyways, got 2 of the receptacle boxes up so far. The third box is going to be right here. We were going to mount it on the other column, but they don't have any of the framing up, so we just moved it over to this wall to get it ready. So we'll get that mounted tomorrow morning first thing. And then from there, we also did finish the fire alarm outside of the containment, going down this wall and to the right. So we got that pulled in this morning. It took like 5 or 10 minutes. It was actually really fast once we unspooled the wire. Got a third person to help us manage the wire. So that went really quickly. And the other thing I did forget to add to this video was we did some fire alarm demo inside of the first room that you saw in the inner waiting, with all the studs and stuff like that. Anyways, after that we went back to the CHR shop. They cored a little hole for us, so I went ahead and put some pipe through the wall, and just got the LB set right there. As you can see, they changed the color from the nasty gray or nasty ivory color to the white. You can see it right there behind the pipe. So they are painting this room. There's the door, obviously, where they cut that out, and here's the outside. As you can see, the kind of destroyed the wall when they cut it. But anyways, here's our box right here with our pipe going through it. So that turned out really nice. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Love you guys. Peace. See you tomorrow.